Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the mount closely for hairline cracks and strip screws because small damage changes load paths. Once done, measure the clamp diameter and compare to the included adapter so it seats evenly. Remove phone and loosen bolts just enough to test movement. This reveals which part binds. Clean mating surfaces with alcohol so adhesives and thread locker stick. Then hand thread bolts to align parts before final torque. This prevents cross-thread failure and ensures secure engagement. Now you realign the bracket and replace any worn rubber insert because cushioning controls vibration and prevents slippage. Fit the new insert, then seat the phone so the clamp contacts correctly. Visual alignment ensures the cradle won't twist under load. Tighten bolts in 1/4 turn steps, alternating sides to keep the clamp parallel, and use medium thread locker where metal meets metal to stop backing out. Make sure the clamp doesn't pinch cable routing or break housings as you finish by torquing fasteners to the specified range and then perform a staged test because final tightening locks geometry under real load. You should simulate bumps and hard braking with the phone installed, observing for rotation or slippage. If anything moves, stop and retorque or reseat the insert. After a short ride, recheck torque and hardware. If wobble persists despite correct torque, swap to a reinforced clamp or bar-mounted adapter as the last reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.